Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. My name is Harry, and today I am here to help you. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English but feel afraid to speak? Do words stay in your mind but not come out of your mouth? If yes, you are not alone. Many people feel shy. Many people fear mistakes. Many people think, my English is not good. But listen to me carefully. You do not need perfect English. You need real-life English. Simple sentences, daily sentences, the kind of English people actually use every day. In today's lesson, I will share 120 essential daily English sentences. These sentences will help you speak naturally, confidently, and without fear. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start speaking English together.
Why daily sentences are important. Let me explain something very simple. When you were a child, you did not learn your language by grammar rules. You learned by listening and repeating daily sentences. English is the same. Daily sentences help you think faster in English, speak without translating, feel confident in real situations. You don't need long, difficult sentences. You need useful sentences. Let's begin. Morning and daily routine sentences. These are sentences you can use every morning. I wake up early. I wake up late. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for work. I get ready for school. I make breakfast. I feel sleepy today. I feel fresh now. I am ready to go. Simple sentences, but very powerful. Say them again and again. This is how fluency starts.
Basic talking and social sentences. These sentences help you talk to people. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am busy right now. I am free today. Nice to meet you. Long time no see. What's going on? Everything is okay. Let's talk later. Notice something. These sentences are short, clear, and very natural. Sentences for work and study. English is very important at work and study. I am going to the office. I am working on it. Please wait a moment. I will call you later. I need some help. Can you explain again? I understand now. I don't understand. Let me check. I will try my best. Don't be afraid to say, I don't understand. This sentence is your friend. Shopping and daily life sentences. English outside of the home is also important. How much is this? It is too expensive. Do you have another color? I like this one. I don't like it. I am just looking. Can I pay by card? Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. These sentences make you feel confident in public. Feelings and emotions sentences. Speaking is not only about words, it is about feelings. I am happy today. I feel sad. I am tired. I am excited. I am nervous. I am angry. I feel better now. Don't worry. Take it easy. Everything will be okay. When you speak your feelings, your English becomes alive.
Common questions and answers. Questions help conversations grow. What do you mean? Can you repeat, please? What time is it? Where are you from? What do you do? How does it work? Is it okay? Are you sure? What should I do? Can you help me? Practice questions every day. Simple confidence sentences. These sentences build strong English confidence. I can do this. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Mistakes help me learn.
I am not afraid to speak. My English is getting better. I believe in myself. I will keep practicing. I never give up. I speak English with confidence. Say these sentences aloud. They change your mindset.
Practical motivation. Now listen to me carefully. You don't need to memorize all 120 sentences in one day. Just practice 10 to 15 sentences daily. Speak alone. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak while walking. Speak while cooking. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every time you speak, you become stronger. Fluency comes from experience, not perfection. My dear friend, English is not a talent. English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. You are capable. You are learning, and you are improving every single day. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Share it with someone who wants to speak English, and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English for daily confidence-building lessons. This is Harry, reminding you one last thing. Speak English, make mistakes, grow every day. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English, where your voice matters.